everybody, it's Ivy, and today I'm coming on here to do a hair video. I've decided to start a new series, kind of where I create very natural looking hairstyles with lace frontal wigs. Today, the look I was going for was kind of like a twist out look, a blowed out look, something very big and fluffy and airy, not super tamed at all. And I thought this hair and this unit was the perfect unit to do this look. Now I got this beautiful hair from KlaiyiHair, and the link to the hair will be in the description bar below. This is a kinky curly unit, and this is a true kinky curly. I would say this unit is kind of like 4A hair. It comes with HD lace. It's very easy to lay and make look very natural, you guys. I was really pleased with this hair, and actually this look, I feel like I don't wear my hair big a lot. I wear pretty silky pressed type of styles. I don't know about y'all, but I love this look on me. Definitely feeling the look, definitely feeling the vibe. How I got this look was really simple. It didn't take a whole lot at all. I just blew out the kinky curly hair and I kind of like wand curled it. I did show you guys this whole process on camera. If you guys want to see this process and see how I got this beautiful style, just keep on watching. So as you saw throughout the video, I decided not to talk. I wanted you guys to just sit and watch and look at what I did. I installed my unit like I always install my units. And I just decided to wing it, like go with it. I wanted to try something new, something different, and I am so pleasantly surprised. I did go in and put a little bit of powder just in the lace because it was a little light. With this lace, I probably should have tinted it a little bit, but it could be because I don't have on a stocking cap or anything like that. I just put it on. So you can kind of see my hair peeking through it because it's HD lace and it's super see-through. So yeah, you guys, make sure you just wear a cap. And y'all, this is like, won't nobody know this is not your hair. Like, somebody's gonna see it and be like, damn, she got a lot of hair. Like, that's the vibe I was going for, and I think I executed it well. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys like this look. I think it's cute. It's different for me. Let me know. Let me know if y'all feeling it. So yeah, you guys, everything I used from today's video will be linked below. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.